guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo V90 Cross Country. This is in Onyx Black Metallic with a beautiful charcoal leather interior. I love the way that bumper looks with the silver on the bottom. Full LED active bending Thor's hammer headlights, super distinct. This has just over 31,000 miles on it. It has the 360-degree camera system, which is great for parking, blind spot information system, lane keeping aid, cross traffic alert with auto braking. So many safety features to keep you and yours safe and on the road. 20-inch wheels. Keyless entry is standard. This has a hands-free power liftgate. This is a T5, so it is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Tons of space in the back. And it also has the power folding back seats. I love this station wagon. Beautiful wood inlays. These back seats are super clean. This has the nice stitching detail the V90s do. Your climate control for the back seat. So it's a 4-way climate control situation. Memory seating for 2. If you are new to the Volvo family, welcome. You'll see that from the inside, with your foot firmly on the brake, this is your ignition switch. And those are all of your safety features. They check and list upon startup. That's this IntelliSafe system here. It is a radar-based system, so it works at night. And you'll be able to find some of those features if you go into my settings in my car, in the IntelliSafe system. You can choose to have I have the road sign information system on. That's the little speed limit sign there. And so we can do this. We can start it, it'll start to blink if we go above either by 5 or 10. We can have an audio warning. Lots of different things that can do. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. Your climate control is all right here. The center screen is situated ever so gently towards the driver. That way you have better visual of what you're trying to do. And you can also use the Volvo voice control here to flip through all of those features, so you never have to essentially look away from the road. This is the pilot assist. We won't be able to do it right now because we're not moving, but once you are on the road and you initiate the cruise control, if you press the button to the right, the pilot assist will pop up like that. And once it is engaged, the steering wheel, the little steering wheel icon will turn green, and that way the car will have control over the steering and of the acceleration and the braking. So you'll be able to take your hands off the wheel for just a moment on a long drive. That's really nice. Cup holders here. Plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto right there. Turning your center screen into a giant version of your phone. And it's all set up with Sirius XM. Well, you'll have to resubscribe to that. Anyway, all right. Well, this is stock number 6048A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you so much from Portland Volvo.